Welcome to class 20 cost accounting. In this class, we will discuss sum number 3, page number F7, very important sum, a typical problem. In this sum, in the first paragraph, job cost sheet is given, which has been prepared by an inexperienced cost accountant. Overheads, factory overheads, selling overheads are not figuring in the job cost sheet. Hence, you have been requested to prepare a revised job cost sheet considering overheads also. Very important point in this sum is wage rate per hour is given. Whenever wage rate per hour is given, we have to, or it is advised to recover factory overheads based on direct labor hours. Okay. In second paragraph of the sum on page number F8, we have been given the cost details of the organization relating to the last year, wherein materials, wages incurred in the 3 departments, factory overheads incurred in 3 departments, selling overheads are given, and we have been requested to prepare a new job cost sheet or a revised job cost sheet considering the overheads also, and we have to ascertain the job price, and in this job cost sheet we have to add profit, which is at the rate of 10% on cost. 3 steps we need to follow for completing this sum. Step 1, we have to prepare cost sheet of last year, taking details from the second paragraph, that is the details given on page number F8. Materials 44,000, add wages which have been incurred in 3 departments, 5,000 plus 6,000 plus 4,000, 15,000. Materials plus wages will give you prime cost. Add factory overheads. Add factory overheads of incurred in 3 departments, 5,000 plus 3,000 plus 3,000, 11,000. So factory cost or cost of production is 70,000. Add selling and distribution overheads, which is 14,000. We will get cost of sales or total cost. Cost sheet is over. Step 1 is over. Step 2, we have to calculate overhead recovery rates. Factory overheads, it is suggested that we have to recover overheads based on direct labor hours whenever such information is given. This is a thumb rule, general practice, popular practice for recovering factory overheads if on the basis of direct labor hours, if direct labor hours are information is available. For that, first we have to calculate how much time was spent in terms of labor hours in each department, taking details of last year. Department 1 last year 5,000 rupees labor charges were paid for 5,000 hours. 5,000 divided by 1 is 5,000 hours. Department 2, 6,000 divided by 1 rupee is 6,000 hours. Direct labor hours calculation. 4,000 divided by 1 rupee, 4,000 hours. So labor hours, amount of work done in terms of labor hours in department 4, 5,000 hours. Department 2, 6,000 hours. Department 3, 4,000 hours. Now, factory overhead per direct labor, formula is factory overhead divided by direct labor hours. In department 1, 5,000 rupees was spent for 5,000 labor hours. So it is coming to 1 rupee per hour, direct labor hour. Department 2, 3,000 rupees for 6,000 labor hours. It is coming to 50 paisa per direct labor hour. Department 3 3000 rupees for 4000 direct labor hours means 75 paisa per direct labor hour is factory overheads. Selling overhead rate as usual, percentage method. Selling overheads divided by factory cost or works cost into 100. 14,000 divided by 70,000 into 100 is 20%. So after calculating overhead recovery rates, factory overhead rates are to be recorded as per direct labor hour method, and selling overhead rate as per percentage on factory cost. We have to prepare revised job cost sheet. We have to prepare a new job cost sheet. In that we have to take the details as given on page number F7, first part. Up to prime cost same, materials 36 rupees, wages 30 rupees, 66 rupees is prime cost. Then the changes. Add factory overheads. Factory overheads department 1 the time spent 15 hours, department 2 10 hours, department 3 5 hours into charges per hour which we have calculated in working notes A, 1 rupee 50 paisa and 75 paisa, and that is coming to 15 into 1 rupee 15 rupees department 1 factory overhead charges, 10 into 50 paisa 5 rupees department 2 factory overhead charges, department 3 5 into 0.75 3 rupees 75 paisa. Total factory overheads are 23.75. Factory cost is 89.75. Prime cost plus factory overheads is equal to factory cost or works cost. Add selling and distribution overheads which is 20% on factory cost, 20% on factory cost or works cost. 89.75 into 20% is 17.95. So total cost of the job is 107.7 and net profit is 10% on cost, 10.77, and selling price of the job is 107.7 plus 10.77 is 118.47. 118.47 is job price. This is how we have to complete this type of sum. So recovering factory overheads on the basis of direct labor hours is a popular practice which you have to keep in mind. With this we have completed job costing and also fourth unit. So far we have completed 2 units, unit number 1, unit number 4.